Hello student. Today we start unit number 2, data acquisition system. In unit number 2, we'll discuss the topic a need of data acquisition system, block diagram and their application. So first, what is meant by data acquisition system? Data acquisition is the process of sampling signals that measure real world physical conditions and converting resulting samples into digital numeric values that can be manipulated by a computer. In one line, we can call it as data acquisition system is by using this data acquisition system, we can process the real measured world physical condition into in a such a pattern that computer will be understood the language. Computer will be understand the values. We know that in computer they understood the language in the form of zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. Once the data will be available, or we can supply or we can provide to the computer in the form of zeros and ones, then the manipulations or further process is possible by using the computers. So data acquisition system typically converts analog waveform into the digital values for the process. See, in order to optimize the characteristic of the system in terms of performance, handling capacity, cost and the relevant subsystem can be combined together. Analog data acquisition system is generally acquired and converted into digital form for the purpose of processing. I repeat again, converting into digital form for the purpose of processing, transmission, display and storage. Today, in order to achieve greater productivity in modern industry, society DAQ needed. DAQ needed. See, I will clear in the block diagram. If you observe the block diagram of DAQ, data acquisition system, DAS also you can call it as, inputs are transducer, output of transducer connected to the signal conditioner, then signal condition output connected to the mux, and mux output connected to A to D converter, and finally it is provided to your devices. Observe the flows from input to output. Here is the real world parameters, and here we directly provide it to your equipment. This is the block diagram of data acquisition system. So one by one we'll understood, we'll try to explore it, the meanings as well as the function of the each block of the data acquisition system. Now see, starting with the transducer. A transducer is used to convert the physical parameter earning from the field into electrical signals, or it is used to measure directly the electrical quantities such as resistance, voltage, frequency. Right? In one line, we know that the transducer function, we can always say the transducer, it will be nothing but converting one form of energy to another form of energy. Then output of transducer is connected to the signal conditioner. Usually the output signals of the transducer will be of very low, means we can call it as weak signals, which cannot be used for further processing. In order to make the signal strong enough to drive the other element, signal conditioner are used. such as amplifiers, modifiers, filters, etc. Right? Cannot be used for further processing. Okay. Again, you can call it as in signal conditioner is a device that convert one type of electronic signal into another type of signal. One type of electrical signal, okay, one type of electronics, we can call it electronic signal into another type of signal. Its primary use is to convert signal that may be difficult to read by the conventional instrumentations into more easily read format. In performing this conversion, a number of functions may take place. Right? So, role of a signal conditioner is that convert one type of electronic signal into another type of signal for further process. Right? Then output of signal conditioner connected to the mux. We know that the function of a multiplexer is to accept multiple analog input after signal conditioning and provide a single output sequentially according to the requirement. Then output of mux connected to A to D converter. The analog to digital converter is generally used to convert analog data into digital form. The digital data is used for the purpose of easy processing, transmission, digital display and storage. So, processing involves various operations on data such as compression, mathematical manipulation. Data is collected and converted into useful form and utilized for various purposes like for control operation and display and etc. The transmission of data in digital form is possible over short distances as long as distances and has advantages over transmission in analog form. The data can be stored permanently or temporarily and can be displayed on CRT or digital panel. Right? Now, after conversion A to D, that output is connected to the your devices. That is called as recorders or display devices. In display devices, data is displayed in suitable form in order to monitor the input signal. Example of display devices are oscilloscope, numerical displays, panels, meters, etc. And in order to have either temporary or permanent record of useful data recorder are used and the analog data can be recorded either graphically or magnetic tape, optical recorder, ultraviolet recorder like these ones. So digital data can be recorded through digital recorder and the digital data is first converted into suitable form for recording by means of coupling units and then recorded on a magnetic tape. Right? So in this way the data will be displayed. Right? So next step is your applications. Okay? So there are n number of application of data acquisition system. So applications are weather monitoring, recording, seismograph, pressure, temperature, wind strength, direction. Okay, so seismograph is nothing but where we can call it as a graph of whenever earthquake will occur. At that time, what is the graph will plot. Then this information is fed to computer, which then predict natural event like when the rain, then climates like say earthquake, okay, and destructive winds, okay. So calamities means like a how many whenever we can call it Marathi this is Sankat that they will be inform you, right? So like earthquake and destructive winds I will say, okay. So like these are the number of applications, okay. So hope you understood and data acquisition block diagram, their applications, right, why it is required, right, and after this one is we can call it this data acquisition system everywhere it exists, now in the industries it is very useful, data acquisition system, for the further processing or improvement of the performance of the any devices. It will be utilized. Thank you.